Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in AI tools with Instacart easy tutorial step. To get started investing in AI tools through Instacart, begin by creating an account on the Instacart website or app. Once your account is set up, log in to access the main dashboard. Next, navigate to the AI tools section within the dashboard. Explore the various AI tools available for investment. Select a tool that aligns with your interests or business needs. Click on the tool to view detailed information about its features and benefits. Review the pricing options and decide how much you want to invest. Once you've made a decision, click the Invest Now button. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information securely. Confirm your investment amount and review the terms and conditions. Click Submit to finalize your investment in the AI tool. After your investment is confirmed, monitor the tool's performance through your dashboard. Consider participating in community forums or discussions to stay updated on trends. Make sure to regularly evaluate your investment strategy as technology evolves. Keep an eye on new AI tools that may become available in the future. Stay informed about market dynamics to ensure your investments remain relevant. Continue to learn about AI advancements to maximize your investment potential. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.